Welcome, my dear students. Now, this is a mathematics class of class 7. And in this class, we will discuss sums of algebraic formula in exercise 12.3 in your board book. And I am Haruchandra Gaur. In this class, and in this last of the class, we will do a mathematical tip. So, carefully watch the full video. Let's start the class. First problem. In your board book 12.3, problem number in 12.3, problem number 1 IV. Using formula, find the value of 1.15 into 0.85. Using the formula, find the value of 1.15 into 0.85. Now 1.15 into 0.85 is equals to, we write 1.15 is equals to 1 plus 0.15 into 0.85. This is right 1 minus 0.15. Now this is the a plus b into a minus b. We know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So this is 1 square minus 0.15 whole square. Now this is 1 square minus 15 square 225, and there are after decimal there are 2 places in whole square. After decimal there are 4 places, so 0.0225. Now 1 minus 0.0225 is 0.9775. This is the answer. And second problem, 2. If 25 minus 4x square is equals to 5 plus ax into 5 minus ax, then find the positive value of a. Given this is the identity, from this find the value of a. So given that 25 minus 4x square equals to 5 plus ax into 5 minus ax. Now this is a plus b into a minus b formula. A square minus b square. This is 5 square minus ax whole square. So this is 25 minus a square x square. This relation is an identity. So we compare all the coefficients. Here 25 are equal, and coefficient of left hand side, coefficient of x square is minus 4, and right hand side coefficient of x square is minus a square. So we write a square equals to 4, or from a square equals to 4, a equals to plus minus 2. So therefore now here find the value of positive value of a. So positive value of a is plus 2. A equals to plus minus 2, therefore positive value of a is 2. And question number 6, 6. Using formula m plus p plus q whole square minus m minus p minus q whole square as a product of terms. These two terms, these expression as the express of product of terms. So now this is the a square minus b square form. So now this is whole square minus this whole square. We write the formula a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This is m plus p plus q plus m minus p minus q into m plus p plus q minus m minus p minus q. So now in open the first bracket, m plus p plus q plus m minus p minus q, and m plus p plus q and minus m minus minus a plus p minus minus a plus q. In the first second bracket, plus minus p are cancel. In the first second bracket, plus minus p is cancelled and plus minus q is cancelled. So m plus m is 2m, and in second second bracket, plus minus m is cancel. So plus p is 2p and plus q is 2q. So 2m into 2p plus 2q, and from this bracket 2 is common. 2m into 2 into p plus q. 2 into 2m is 4m. 4m into p plus q. This is the answer. 4mp plus 4mq. This is the answer. So we go our next problem. Problem number 4.3. Using formula multiply a square plus b square into a square minus b square into a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8. Using the formula multiply this. So now this is the given expression: a square plus b square, a square minus b square, a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8. Now the first two terms in a second bracket and other two terms are same. So this is the formula of a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. That means a square whole square minus b square whole square into a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8. Now a square whole square is a to the power 4 and b square whole square is b to the power 4. So this is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 into a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. These two terms in a bracket into a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8. So again this is a formula: a plus a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. This is a to the power 4 whole square minus b to the power 4 whole square, and a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 are same. So this is a to the power 4 whole square is a to the power 8 and b to the power 4 is whole square is b to the power 8. So this is a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8 into a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8. Again this is again formula: a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So this is a to the power 8 whole square minus b to the power 8 whole square. A to the power 8 is whole square is a to the power 16 and b to the power 8 is whole square is b to the power 16. So the final answer is a to the power 16 minus b to the power 16. This is our answer. And question number 5 IV. Express 6 to 5 minus a to the power 4 into b to the power 4 as a product of terms. This expression as a product of terms. So now 6 to 5 minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. We write 6 to 5 is 25 whole square minus a to the power 4 and b to the power 4 is a square b square whole square. So again this is a formula: a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. This is 25 plus a square b square into 25 minus a square b square. Again 25 plus a square b square, and the last term 25 equals to 5 square and a square b square equals to right ab whole square. In the last bracket, first bracket is same. In the last bracket, this is again formula: a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 25 plus a square b square is same. This is equals to 5 plus ab into 5 minus ab. So therefore the answer is, this is the product of three terms, is 25 plus a square b square, 5 plus ab, 5 minus ab. This is the answer. So you go our next problem. Problem number 6. Prove that p plus q whole to the power 4 minus p minus q whole to the power 4 is equals to 8pq into p square plus q square. So let's start from left hand side. So our left hand side is p to the power 4 plus q to the p plus q whole to the power 4 minus p minus q whole to the power 4. So we write p plus q whole to the power 4 equals to p plus q whole square and this whole square, p plus q square second bracket whole square, and p minus q whole to the power 4 is right, p minus q whole square and whole square. So this is the formula: a square minus b square in the second bracket and p plus q whole square plus p minus q whole square into p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square, a plus b into a minus b. And from the first second bracket, this is again a formula: 2 into p square plus q square, and from the last second bracket, this is the formula: 4pq, p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square is 4pq. So this is 2 into p square plus q square into 4pq. So 4 to the 8 pq into p square plus q square. This is the right hand side. This is the right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side proof. And next problem, using formula multiply a plus b plus c into b plus c plus b plus c minus a, c plus a minus b, a plus b minus c. So now this equals to, we rearrange the terms, a plus b plus c we write with a plus b minus c, last term. We rearrange the term, first term with last term. First term is a plus b plus c and last term is a plus b minus c, because a and b both are same sign and plus c minus c are opposite sign. So we write first term with last term. First term with last term. And another bracket we write b plus c, c plus a minus b. This is the third term into second term. Second term is c plus a minus b. C plus a minus, this is the third term and this is the second term. C and minus common, a minus b. From the second term, here c and minus is common. So minus common means a minus b. C minus of a minus b into c plus a minus b. And first second bracket, a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. So this is the formula, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b whole square minus c square, a plus b whole square minus c square. In the last bracket, c square minus a minus b whole square. So now the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. In c square minus a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square, and minus is open, c square minus a square minus a plus 2ab minus a plus a minus b square. So now we see that here plus 2ab plus 2ab, 2ab is the same sign, c square has a different sign, a square have a different sign, and b square have a different sign. So we write 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square. Here 2ab minus is common. From minus a square minus is common, this is plus a square. From minus b square minus is common, so write plus b square. And this is plus c square minus is common, so we write minus c square. So this is 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square into 2ab minus a square plus b square minus c square. So again, this is a formula, a plus b into a minus b. So this is 2ab whole square minus a square plus b square minus c square whole square. So now 2ab whole square is 4a square b square, and this is a square plus b square minus c square is whole square. This is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. So now this is not a plus c, this is minus c. So we use minus c in place of plus c. So 2ab whole square is 4a square b square, and now a to the power 4, a square whole square is a to the power 4 plus b square whole square is b to the power 4 plus minus c square whole square is plus c to the power 4 plus 2ab, the plus 2a square b square plus 2a square into minus c square. This is minus 2a square c square, and plus 2b square into minus c square. This is minus 2b square c square. Now we write the formula. So now a square whole square plus b square whole square plus minus c square whole square plus 2a square b square plus 2a square into minus c square plus 2b square into minus c square. So a square whole square is a to the power 4, b square whole square is b to the power 4, minus c square whole square is plus c to the power 4 plus 2a square b square plus a minus a minus, so minus 2 a square c square minus 2 a square c square plus a minus 2 b square c square minus 2 b square c square. So now this is, and open the minus, open the bracket, and there is a minus sign. So plus 4 square b square minus 2 a square b square. This is 2 a square b square minus 2 a square c square. This is again a minus sign. Minus, I want to say plus 2 a square c square. Again minus sign, and this is minus. Minus, I want to say plus 2 b square c square. So 2 a square b square plus 2 b square c square plus 2 a square c square, and minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 minus c to the power 4. So we go our next problem. Problem number 8. If x equals to a by b plus b by a and y equals to a by b minus b by a, then show that x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2x square y square equals to 16. So we start from left hand side. So left hand side is x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2x square y square. We write x to the power 4 equal to x square whole square minus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4 equals to, right, y square whole square. Now this is the formula: a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is a minus b whole square. So this is x square minus y square whole square. We know x square minus y square equals to x plus y into x minus y and whole square. Now putting the value of x and y, value of x is a plus b by plus b plus a. Value of x is a plus b plus b by a. Sorry, value of x is a by b plus b by a plus value of y a by b minus b by a. And again value of x a by b plus b by a minus value of y a by b minus b by a whole square equals to, open the bracket, a by b plus b by a plus a by b minus b by a into a by b plus b by a. This is a minus sign, minus a by b minus, I want to say, plus b by a. So here plus minus, sorry, plus b by a minus b by a is cancelled in the first second bracket, and the second bracket plus a by b minus a by b is cancelled. So a by b plus a by b is, a by b plus a by b is 2 into a by b, and b by a plus b by a, this is 2 into b by a whole square, and again 2 is common. Sorry, a by b into b by a cancel. So a and a cancel, and b cancel. So 2 into 2 4, 4 square is 16. This is the right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side 2. And here is another problem. Problem number 11. Express 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus a square plus 8a minus 16 as a difference of 2 square. This expression as a difference of 2 square. So now first the given expression is 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus a square plus 8a minus 16. From the last three terms minus common, and first three terms remain same: 4x square plus 4x plus 1 and minus common a square minus 8a plus 16. Now 4x square equals to, write, 2x whole square, and 4x equals to, write, 2 into 2x plus 1, and minus a square minus 8 equals to, write, minus 2 into a into 4 and plus 16 equals to 4 square. Now this is the 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x plus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 square. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. So now this is the 2x plus 1 whole square. And from this, a square minus 2 into a into 4 plus 4 square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the a minus 4 whole square formula. So now this is equal to 2x plus 1 whole square minus a minus 4 whole square. So this is the square minus another square. So which is a difference of 2 square. Which is a difference of 2 square. This is the answer. Now we move our next problem. Here the problem is in 12. Problem number 12 in 12.3 exercise. Express a square plus 1 by a square minus 3 as a difference of 2 square. So given expression is a square plus 1 by a square minus 3. We write 3 equals to, minus is common, 3 equals to 2 plus 1. Everybody knows 2 plus 1 equals to 3. And open the bracket, minus 2 minus 1. And first two terms same, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 minus 1. And a square, here we write minus 2 plus 1 by a square and minus 1. Now minus 2 equals to, write minus 2 a into 1 by a. And because a and 1 by a is cancelled, so a into 1 by is 1. So minus 2 into a into 1 by is minus 2. So a square minus 2 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square minus 1. And from the first three terms, this is a formula, a minus 1 by a whole square. A minus 1 by a whole square minus 1 equals to, write 1 square. So this is square minus another square. So which is a difference of 2 square? Which is a difference of 2 square. So next there is a mathematical tips and application of this chapter. There is a rule that allow us to square any number with last digit 5. Now we find the square of any number whose last digit is 5. Now the rule is drop the last digit out of, and drop the last digit means 5 digit is last, so drop the 5 and get a sum in. If we delete the 5, out and get sum n, multiply n by n plus 1 and add the digits 2 and 5 in the n. For example, now we find the square of 35 square. First we delete 5, the remaining digit is 3. Now we multiply 3 into 3 plus 1, that means 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12 and add 2 and 5. So we get the answer is 1225. 1225. Now we try another example. Now we try 65 whole square. Last digit is 5. 65 whole square equals to how much? Now delete the 5. This is 6. 6 into 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 6 into 7. 6 7 is 42. And add last 2 and 5. So 4 2. So 65 whole square equals to 4 2 2 5. Now we verify 65 whole square equals to using calculator. So 65 into 65. This is equals to 4225. And also we verify 35 into 35. 35 into 35. So this is 1225. Now verify using calculator. Explain why this rule works. Explain why this rule works. So now we let verify for 2-digit number, and last digit is 5. So let unit digit is unit digit is 5, and let 10 place be x. So the number is 10x plus 5. As for example, the number is 45. 5 is the unit digit and 4 is the 10 place. So the number is 10 into 4 plus 5. 10 into 4 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. So if x is the 10 place and 5 is the 1 place, so the number is 10x plus 5 whole square. Now 10x plus 5 whole square, a plus b whole square, 10x whole square plus 2 into 10x. Sorry, there is a mistake. So unit digit is 5 and 10th digit is x. So the number is 10x plus 5 whole square. Now 10x whole square is 10x whole square plus 2 into 10x into 5 plus 5 square is 25. 10x whole square is 100x square. 2 into 10 into 5, 2 into 10, 20, 25 is 100, 100x plus 5 square is 25. So now from first two terms, 100x is common, x in 100x is common into x plus 1 plus 2 25. So now this is x into x plus 1. The remaining digit is x. Now we multiply x into x plus 1. So x into x plus 1. Now this is 100 and add 20 and last 2, 2 and 5. This is the answer. Okay. Thank you.